Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite 16.6.1 Rich Media Analysis Enhancement feature. In Release 16.6, Teamsite provided AI-driven image tagging as part of the content automation feature set. To have access to more details, Teamsite 16.6.1 expanded image metadata to include facial recognition for age, gender, and boundaries, optical character recognition, and language detection. Also, in 16.6.1, Teamsite integrated with OpenText Rich Media Analysis microservice called RMA. This enables Teamsite in the future to leverage multiple third-party AI providers beyond Azure Cognitive Services. First, make sure Teamsite Administrator has set up Rich Media Analysis connector. Test the connection to make sure everything is in order. Within the assets, select Media. Select the folder where you would like to have new images. I have some example images to import from my computer. Check the box for automatically tag imported images using media analysis. You can either browse or drag and drop image files or folders of images. It takes a few seconds to process all images. If all goes well, you will receive the message, "Your assets were successfully uploaded." You will also receive the message, "Media Analysis Tag Asset Workflow started for imported assets." Exit all messages and wait a few seconds for all images to be tagged. Now let's open an imported image and inspect the metadata. Description and keywords were delivered previously, but the rest of the metadata are new in Teamsite 16.6.1. Check out OCR language and text. Also notice face detection attributes like gender, age, count, etc. Let's examine an image of a different language. Notice the metadata for OCR language and OCR text. Similar to Teamsite 16.6, users can quickly tag images in bulk, group, or individually. Users can also review and edit some of the generated metadata. As you can see, Teamsite 16.6.1 uses RMA connector, which expands image metadata to maximize the value of content suggestions, in addition to using framework for additional AI services.